Inumduman ninyo katupis dahil, di ba? Itong ikuan diha, dito tayo, no? Kamu ang backbone sa atong nasod in terms of labor force. Inumduman ninyo katupis dahil, di ba? Itong ikuan diha, dito tayo, no? Kamu ang backbone sa atong nasod in terms of labor force.
Good morning. I am very well pleased to present to you 25 graduates of Bread and Pastry Productions NC2 of Mission Abuan Vocational School Incorporated in Pikit, North Cotabato. All candidates are under our Technical Education Skills Development Authority Bread and Pastry Production, NC2, STEP project of Congressman Sacdalan. I certify that they comply all the requirements set by Mission Abuan Vocational School Incorporated under the authority and mandate of Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. I hereby recommend them for your acceptance and declaration. Abe Zarina Condiga, Ale Brenda Gunse, Ale Rohana Said, Ale Bay Riza Kadatuan, Ali Anwaruddin Abubakar, Benito Jalaisa Apunong, Boris Diana Sioson, Quison Rosana Tanod-Tanod, Diana Marisol Tansio, Flores Joveline Bit, Glal Noraimi Hashim, Glimada Analu Mansera, Hashim Ruhamin Sulaiman, Habonero Cheryl Bores, Habonero Mia Jean Mansera, Kumlail Clint Tijing, Mansera Catherine Alabado, Mansera Elena Danlag, Midtimbang Soraina Magid, Reses Alrich Jade Duhay Lungsod, Rumbraan Norjihan Usman, Sahid Kia Wakan, Santa Ana Jenny Rose Solindom, Tanod-Tanod Jeneline Lacuesta, Wahab Sarima Alil. Congratulations, graduates!